Hello guys, so this is a quick video that I want to show a problem I'm having with the anchor move of woodworking workbench. So I really like the idea of this woodworking workbench, but I'm having a bit of difficulty with the anchor move. So it works fine with regular objects, but doesn't work for me in the linked objects. So for example, I want to move this panel here. So I select the anchor where I want it to move and the anchor on the object. And I use the panel move to anchor and it works as expected. But for example, if I want to move this panel, which is a link, so I select base anchor and the anchor on the object I want to move, and I use panel move to anchor, and it moves not my link object but the original panel, which is not expected for me. So if I use just a regular move panel, it works with the linked object, but the anchor tool for some reason doesn't work with link objects. So that's the problem I'm having. If I'm doing something not right, probably it is not expected to use a link object to clone an original object. I don't know. So if you have some comments and advices, please put it in the comment below. Thank you. Bye.